May I present to you my design of a tea canister. Very simple design, but it comes with a seal, a nice pattern on the top and the bottom, and as you can hear, it seals quite well, so the aroma will be conserved. This is only the first one. I'm going to make a series of these canisters and other household items. I've been using Polymaker PolyTerra to realize this, which was generously given to me by Polymaker. So let's have some tea. The canister will hold this amount of tea, this case 75 grams, and I'm using here the Citrus Symphony from Müller Drogerie. It's a German brand, drugstore in Germany, and it smells very nice. So you can see it holds a lot of tea. Hope you like it.